Hi everyone, this is Steve from Mammotion Tech. Today we are unboxing LUBA Mini AWD series. Let's check it out. This is our quick start guide. The brand new Vision module. This is our power supply. And this is our new design RTK station. This is the accessory kit. Let's take a look. Wow! This is the new LUBA Mini AWD. And this is our charging station. Now we will install 3D Vision module. So now let's open the accessory kit. This is screwdriver. This is wall mounting screws, RTK station extension cable, RTK station adapter. Now we open this screwdriver to install 3D Vision module. Now we will install charging station. Now we will install RTK station. This is how we install RTK station on the ground. And now you can loosen it and twist it 90 degrees, fasten it. You can install RTK station like this on the wall. Also, you have another way to install it on the wall. Loosen this part.